Hey, 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 Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So today we have some chickpeas, tofu, tomatoes, broccoli, and the impossible breakfast sausage. I just scooped a spoonful out and I didn't shape it round and perfect, which is fine for me. And that's how it turned out, along with this little piece right here. The purpose of these videos is to show people a different way. Some people have no idea how to even get started. So this is a way you can transition and still not feel like you're being deprived of some of the things that you like. I know that some people eat and drink perfectly, so they may have a problem with this dish. They may have a problem with the tofu and the impossible meat, even the broccoli, depending on who you ask, because it's not alkaline, and I'm aware of that. But again, this is to help people who have no idea how to get started, who never even eat vegetables. All right, love y'all. Hope this was helpful. Later.